Hello learners, welcome back to the 130 Important Prepositions for Class 7 and 8, Set 6. This video contains 10 questions. Question number 51 to 60. Questions, answers, reasons and Hindi meanings also. Write your mark in the comment section. So let's start the test.
Dash. 51. The old town is now dash the map. Out off. 52. She is brave dash a woman. 4 of. He has got dash difficulties. In into. 54. I will do it dash leisure. 55. The cake was cut dash a jit. By with. 56. The cake was cut dash a knife. 57. Please pay me dash cash. The enemy appeared dash great strength. 59. He is dash all meanness. 60. The son takes dash his father. After before. Here are the correct answers along with the reasons for each. 51. The old town is now off the map. Reason. The preposition off indicates that the old town has been removed or is no longer present on the map. 52. She is brave for a woman. Reason. The preposition for is used to express a standard or expected quality, indicating that her bravery is notable given the context of being a woman. 53. He has got into difficulties. Reason. The preposition into indicates that he has encountered or become involved in difficulties. 54. I will do it at leisure. The phrase at leisure means doing something in a relaxed and unhurried manner. 55. The cake was cut by a jit. Reason. The preposition by indicates the agent performing the action, in this case, a jit. 56. The cake was cut with a knife. Reason. The preposition with indicates the instrument used to perform the action. 57. Please pay me cash. Reason. The preposition in is used to specify the form of payment, in this case, cash. 58. The enemy appeared in great strength. Reason. The preposition in indicates the manner or condition in which the enemy appeared. 59. He is above all meanness. The preposition above indicates being superior to or free from meanness. 60. The son takes after his father. Reason. The phrasal verb takes after means to resemble or behave like one's parent. Here are the answers with their Hindi meanings and reasons. 51. The old town is now off the map. पुराना शहर अब नक्शे से गायब है. Off दर्शाता है कि पुराना शहर अब नक्शे पर नहीं है. 52. She is brave for a woman. वह एक महिला के लिए बहादुर है. Reason for का उपयोग एक मानक या अपेक्षित गुणवत्ता व्यक्त करने के लिए किया जाता है, जिससे यह पता चलता है कि उसकी बहादुरी महिला होने के संदर्भ में उल्लेखनीय है. He has got into difficulties. वह मुश्किलों में पड़ गया है. Reason. Into दर्शाता है कि वह मुश्किलों में शामिल हो गया है या उनका सामना कर रहा है. I will do it at leisure. मैं इसे फुर्सत में करूंगा. Reason. At leisure का मतलब है कि कुछ आराम से और बिना जल्दी किए करना. The cake was cut by Ajit. केक अजीत द्वारा काटा गया था. Reason. by का उपयोग क्रिया को करने वाले एजेंट को दर्शाने के लिए किया जाता है. The cake चाकू से काटा गया था. With का उपयोग क्रिया को करने के को दर्शाने के लिए किया जाता है. Please pay me in cash. 7. कृपया मुझे नकद में भुगतान करें. इन का उपयोग भुगतान के रूप को निर्दिष्ट करने के लिए किया जाता है. The enemy appeared in great strength. दुश्मन बहुत शक्ति के साथ प्रकट हुआ. Reason. इनका उपयोग तरीके या स्थिति को दर्शाने के लिए किया जाता है जिसमें दुश्मन प्रकट हुआ. He is above all meanness. वह सभी नीचता से ऊपर है. Above दर्शाता है कि वह नीचता से श्रेष्ठ या मुक्त है. The son takes after his father. बेटा अपने पिता पर गया है. Reason. Takes after का मतलब है अपने माता पिता की तरह दिखना या व्यवहार करना.